and adequate safety equipment and safety gloves. Using provided lever, rotate the spring box to set the joining hook free. Move it sideways and loosen the spring up to align the blocking flap with the shaft hole. Block the spring with the security pin provided with the kit and pull out the lever. Repeat the operation for each spring. Release the shaft's fixing bolts. Pull it out completely from the angle brackets. Insert the new spring shaft on the angle brackets. Mount and tighten the bolts. Insert the lever into the box and slightly rotate to loosen and release the security pin. Set the joining hook on the box. Gently release the lever and hook the shutter to the spring. Repeat the same operation for each spring. Test your shutter opening it completely, then closing it. If necessary, slightly correct the tension of the springs.